media. Yes, man.
Wagwan. Wagwan people. Wap. First of all, thank you for all the support on the shirts. You know, when I get on a shirt, then, right? Send me a picture of you wearing a shirt so that I can big up in your videos that are to come. See? I'm posting a picture in that video and them sitting there. Alright? Good? Let us get to the gigglements. Now, ever since Aishana's equal rights, the requests for equal rights from women have gone up, and the etophobia, for want of a better word, but however, JPS cut off like pay like the people. As I was saying, the etophobia among Jamaican men, it gone up, and in the dancehall things, hence you know. Here we have Donia, Loud Evil, J.O.P. 4th generation Dan Dada. So Donia perform, right? He might get a wine from a girl, and the next brother in the crowd I get a wine from another girl. Things were going well until a face went too close to a waist. The whining situation looked like it was about to turn into a dining situation. As you can see, Idonia was like, I don't want no parts in this. PS2, yes?
You know me not work with a brother in a part there.
Did not breed that.
That go with him, you know.
You know, eating in them surroundings.
We not go with him.
The man never swim.
Me never swim.
Plenty of jump. When you see certain things, you have to just take what you say before your name get called up in a them thing there.
Yes, Papa.
While other things you see and you are fascinated by it.
Well, up me, bicycle. I know you. So anything West Valley right now, you gone? No. Activate it. Max Lopez, West Valley.
Only in Jamaica. Man bicycle have a car alarm. You know, I would not be surprised if this bicycle have boost, or if him take it run taxi. Them man is serious about them bicycle. Hey man said, how much for the alarm system them? What vehicle is it for? One BM. Well, our BMW car alarms go from 25,000 to up. It's a BMW. No man. A BMX. Bicycle. And that want the alarm for. Sir, we don't sell bicycle alarms, you know. Alright, let me get that alarm for Toyota Corolla. Let me get that one. Yeah man. My Toyota Corolla.
Oh, the ATL, I go get the message now. Yeah, bye.
Have a big up the brother you're still, you know. The man put him brain to use. The man get the creative centers of him brain active.
Yo, just creative. Stop by a man. Right now, just put this fire IG.
Now you know some more time you have your bridge. When you see him go with some foolishness, you have to call him out upon that foolishness there. I still your bridge, you know. But you just have to make him know, say, what am I do? You know, look good. In this next video, that is Beanie Man and Ninja Man.
Big bad Dan Gaga. Front teeth, gold teeth.
Beanie Man has said the front teeth, gold teeth, gun pan teeth, no teeth, brush teeth, Dan Gagan. No fear wear them the tight pants there.
What that you have, and that's the video that now. Please, video that. Video that pants. Yeah. Ninja Man has time for everything, all them caps. Let's see them.
Ninja pants coming like when Mary was to have Jesus and she go at the liquor place. There is no room in it. I get that, no room in the inn, but
watch a man, all them socks are show the way pants style.
If Ninja Man sneeze, them pants there, them jeans there, them jeggings there, whatever they are, them are tear off it. Snake skin is out, croaking lizard skin is in. Gargana trendsetter.
Long time me I tell them say pants so you have room.
Beanie, fuck off. How my yard people pants you wear with you? You're not tell the man to go for them yard for no pants. Yes!
But if you don't know, dancers still, you know what I mean? The hypocrisy exists. They sing about bunny out man when you mean yet still empire with some rapper them. Well, love sing bunny I mean. Me not understand that. And then them bun out tight pants, but they still wear tight pants. We don't know that. You don't know. And I trouble ninja still, because we know ninja chip lick more time.
Why you not done the argument? Yeah. That's a tie and dye stock. The shirt are extra small and the shirt big.
Try let it decent to counteract your piggish mentality and don't you try to pervert my tranquility. You'll call lack racist characters and have Mendican and an income crew behind it.
Anything we associated with ninjas, like Chinese people, wanna know say a pure badness. People wanna tell the truth, he don't look like the little chubby mascot. Chubby, 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 chubby. The magic one. Chubby! Now some of you might not have understood what he was saying. Luckily, I am very fluent in Chinese here. Let me translate. I tell you no paka here. You brought me customer from a store. Oh, Mr. Chin, I deliver me a do, sir. I no care. I cut a tire. How when me must part then, sir? That are your business. Oh, Mr. Chin, I say I no care. I cut a tire. I cut a tire. I cut a you tire. I cut a you tire. I no pray, no games. China Chinese song. I no pray, no games. I cut a you tire. I cut a you tire. Me say park over this one. Park over this one. Hey. You ever wonder how Chinese people are so good at what they do? You know, like sweet and sour chicken, opening wholesales, kung fu. It is because they are taught from they are young. I see my impeccable translation skills are needed once more. I give you the Nicolas Cage. Face off. Defend yourself. Hiya. I will have your head for this.
No, you will not.
You loose neck dragon style. Very good attack. Aha! I got you now. Pray dead. Give me your face. I kill you. What I want to know is why the person filming never part the fight or attempt to part the fight like this security guard.
Let it go. Both of y'all let each other go.
Let's break it up.
Some things in this life not really make sense to me. Like calling a person by the relation they are to you. That only work with family members. You know, mommy, daddy, cousin, things like them. But best friend?
Best friend!
It don't really work.
Best friend, let's go! Best friend, get the fuck!
Another thing that usually puzzles me are overweight security guards. Now, I'm not saying that people who are overweight can't be security guards. That me I say, what I gonna do? What I gonna do? Eh? I'm not saying that. But wouldn't you be more effective if you were more fit? Now look at this. The man tired already. The man gas tank run out. It done. It empty. Look here again. Anybody where you see when them a stand up and them have it stand up using this method, they're not really ready for security guard working.
Why you think that?
You know when babies are trying to learn to walk and they don't really have no balance in, I saw the man. The baby in the next video has more balance than the man. This is how you are in exams when you spend the whole night studying. Oh, no. 14. Hey, if he goes to England, you know where am I gonna visit first? Buckingham Palace. No? Shall I just leave that all time? Let's go remix the bounty theme right now. And me look and me say, buck, buck, buck. He must sleep on a bus. I'll bend him a buck. Say him now wake up. He must lean round the corner like a Leland truck. And the people them a laugh cause it's sweet and your fuck. And that's the end of this video. Remember people, the like button's up there. Tear it up, man. Don't forget to mash up the like button. Mash it all the way up. Thank you for your video suggestions. If there are videos that you'd like to recommend, if there are videos that you'd like to send them to me on Instagram or my Facebook page. Definitely hit the share button. Definitely subscribe. We are 2,000 subscribers away from 60,000. We're trying to get to 100,000 this year. 100. That's the motive. So just subscribe and tell enough friends and everybody to subscribe, right? Until the next video, people, this is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it. wonder if people stay till the very end of the video. If you're watching this right now, that means you stay to the end of the video. So in your comment, just write in. I'll even on a comment, just write in. But tell nobody why you just write in. I want to see how much people actually stay till the very, very end of the video. It's funny if nobody don't stay till the end of the video.